Shall I show you this?
Yeah, show me something.
We've got a whole bunch of Gundam.
Oh, it was a Gundam gangbang.
Excuse me? This is a new, I'm pretty sure it's a new real grade. I don't remember seeing it before. Force Impulse Gundam Spec 2.
I don't know that I can approve any of that credit that you just said.
What do you mean?
It must be new because I've not seen it before.
Well, I haven't seen it before. I'm pretty sure it's new.
That's a reprint.
We had a lot of new
reprint
stuff.
from 1984. If you
It
don't know your Gundam,
It is.
I've done my research.
Are you sure?
Nope.
I'm not sure. No, I'm pretty sure it's brand new. It's a very high number. Unfortunately, neither of us are very
Force Impulse.
Very educated with our
should have
Gundam.
had Ninja
but we
Willow.
do love.
We should get Ninja Will back in one day.
Yeah, if we can get him in. So real grade. What's real grade? How does that fit into it?
It's the more entry level one.
Not quite.
I nearly got it.
So it's the same scale as HG, which is high grade,
High grade.
but it's got all the complexity of the MG. So it's between an HG and an MG. So mainly designed for people that don't have a lot of space. Like a lot of Japanese didn't have a lot of space, but they love building MGs, the master grades. So hence real grade was developed. So it is a little bit more fiddly because everything's much smaller.
He looks serious, doesn't he?
He looks serious.
It's not Barbatos, is it?
It's not Barbatos. So this is from Gundam Seed Freedom. What is it? Is Freedom? Why are you looking at me? You want me to confirm that?
I'm waiting for you
I can't confirm
impart knowledge.
There you go.
I love learning stuff.
Yeah, I do too.
Show me what else you've got in your bag of wares.
Look how cool this is. High Nu Gundam.
I don't know how they get new out of V.
Well, that's
High Nu.
yeah, that's the Greek symbol for nu, isn't it?
I don't speak Greek.
Nu. Nu. No?
Not sure.
All right. Well, it's a high V Nu.
Hi,
And this is a Ver.Ka. So Ver.Ka is a interpretation of the original artwork. So it's slightly different to other High Nu Gundams.
Does it come with a person?
Yeah, they generally come with a little figure. Look how thick the box is.
It's a big, thick box.
Does it show a little person?
Over here, I show the face. I'm not sure what that means.
Oh, okay. Maybe it doesn't come with it. So some of these do come with a pilot. It does, right there.
Oh, geez, it's small. I thought it
Well,
would
this is
be
1 to
bigger.
100 scale.
I thought it would be bigger than that.
There's your pilot right there.
This is made from EcoPL.
Oh, this is eco-plastic, isn't it?
Yep.
There's a pilot? There is.
So that means is it recycled?
Probably.
Or is it just recyclable?
It's probably recycled. You know, notice how all the kits are, each sprue is a particular color. So you could probably just collect all the light color ones and then reproduce them, recycle them. Got some nice clear components here. You know, they're signature multicolored sprue.
Signature.
Got a whole heap of grey parts for the inner frame. You got some colourful bits for the bodywork too. And it comes with a stand.
Comes with a stand.
This is big.
Do they always come with stands, Beach?
They don't always. But this one's probably designed to have a really dynamic pose. But if it comes with a stand, I'll show you on the side of the box.
There it is.
There it is. There's a stand. It's flying. Lots of kit here.
That'll keep you busy over
And this
Easter.
is just a little bit of the stuff that we've received from Bandai.
Well, you couldn't bring that in.
This is brand spanking new. Look at this thing. What is it?
There's not many things bigger than your head, but that's one of them.
It is. Meteor Unit. What's it come with?
16.
It's huge. So it's a Gundam with a vehicle that flies in. You know that? It's got all the laser blasty bits too.
So robots.
Look at it. So that's the
Oh,
figure.
wow. Does it come with a figure?
Yeah.
Full open
Comes
mode.
with the Freedom Gundam.
What size is the Gundam? Must be tiny.
Well, it's HG, so it's 1 to 144, so it's still going to be this big.
Holy moly, that's like 2 meters big.
Well, just have a look.
That's ridiculous.
Oh, it's sealed.
Oh.
Oh, it's been taped up.
So you couldn't get in there. They knew that you were going to get in there and
better
ferret
not get
around.
in there, right? This will be easier for people to see.
That's massive.
Look at it. Oh. There's a little dude sitting there.
Look at the sheer vastness of it.
And that's the whole thing. Absolutely huge. Lots of imagination there, isn't it?
Going to need a big desk.
Big desk.
No?
Yep. There we go. So that's in, as well as a lot of PGs. We've got a lot of perfect grades that have come back in the stock.
I haven't seen that many perfect grades for a long time.
No, that's right. So